Can I get Hulu on LG Smart TV? Hulu is available on most LG Smart TVs, but its compatibility depends on the TV model and webOS version. LG TVs with webOS 3.5 or later support the Hulu app, while older models may require an external device or screen mirroring to access Hulu. Checking your LG TV software version will help determine whether you can install Hulu directly. 1. Checking if your LG Smart TV supports Hulu. LG Smart TVs running webOS 3.5 or later support the Hulu app. To check if your TV is compatible, press the Home button on your remote, navigate to Settings, then General, then About this TV. Look for the webOS version in the system details. If your TV runs webOS 3.5 or newer, Hulu should be available in the LG Content Store. 2. Installing Hulu on an LG Smart TV. If your LG TV supports Hulu, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the LG Content Store and select the search icon. Type Hulu in the search bar and select the app from the results. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, sign in with your Hulu account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Hulu. If your LG TV does not support the Hulu app, you can access it using an external streaming device such as Roku Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply connect the device to your TV, install the Hulu app, and log in with your account. 4. Casting Hulu from a mobile device. If your LG Smart TV does not support Hulu directly, you can cast or screen mirror from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Ensure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Hulu app on your phone. Tap the Cast icon for Chromecast or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your LG Smart TV, and the content will play on your TV screen. If your LG Smart TV supports Hulu, you can install and stream it directly. If not, an external device or casting option allows you to watch Hulu on your TV. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can enjoy Hulu with ease.